Welcome back to GPS. As you can see here, we got the Gilson. Took her into the shop, you know, because she's not doing too good. She's not doing too hot. So we're gonna do some do a little oil change. We're gonna change the front tires too, I think. We're gonna do a lot of stuff.
They're broke.
But yeah, keep her tuned.
We had a problem with the piece here that holds the clutch down getting stuck, so we just sandblasted that. We're gonna repaint it because it was just getting rusted, so it was really hard to move. You had to like kick it, whereas before you could just move it right into place. So we're working on it right now. Now the steering has a little bit of leeway, so I think we're gonna rebuild it. Just try and fix it up, make it a bit tighter. So we're taking the screws off, and we kind of just realized that we actually welded this on. I don't know why we did that.
How smart idea was that?
Someone else did that. It's not right. So we'll take that off now. Okay, no worries. Pry bar to the truck. Beauty. We're missing a bolt there. I don't know where that went, but you can see our little wire setup for our lights. I think it looks pretty good. Not too bad. All right, we'll drop the tires off. Now we're having problems. This crap is just rusted to hell, so I'm trying to get that off, and then we'll probably be able to pull the whole steering down. Okay. Yeah, these are done.
Okay, so we pulled all the steering out here. Got it all taken apart there. Got shop boy working on it. We got this new steering that's a lot more sturdy. So when we put it on in
Instead of that steering wheel there,
put these bars on here, and then we can hook a throttle up to here maybe. And you can steer like that.
so we're pretty much just building a really formula. Now we're gonna take the steering apart and try to get this new shaft, which is a lot bigger, in here and down there.
We got shop boy over there. He's sandblasting our front steering arm.
He's our apprentice, so we're
Yeah.
gonna teach him the ways of the shop.
Teach him young, you know. Good work, shop boy. Good work.
Brand new tires. Looks good. And we got the steering wheel out. So,
Put too much in. We just stopped in at our local friend General Bearing here. Picked up a bearing for the front steering. But yeah, really helpful guys. Really recommend them. Yeah, great people. If you're ever in Ottawa, stop by. Perfect. Oh, it's a bit cattywampus on us, but it'll go. Perfect. Okay, so we added a bearing here now, so it'll turn better. So we had to cut this down a little bit here. But yeah, so we'll put this in now, and it goes a bit farther now. And now we can put a pin in there to hold it.
so this shoves in underneath. Oh my god. You broke the bearing. No. Actually worked.
That folks there, that's a lesson in leverage. Good day. We'll put this. Okay, so we just made the support bracket here for the steering. So it just slide on like this. And we'll weld it on down there, and then it'll be a lot more stable. Okay, so we just made this, this is what the steering is going to mount onto. So it's going to go through the bearing, and then that's going to end at the bottom, this little bushing.
Oh my god.
It is that's
nice little weld there, so Patrick's pretty proud of that one. Look at that, brand new steering.
we gotta get the new shafts here. We're making new ones because they have to come out longer for these new wheels. We're also gonna have to shorten these steering rods. And also the handlebars, we gotta figure that out. I think we're gonna make them a little bit shorter. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed. See you next week. Yay!